Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today our topic is dry skin. Dry skin is medically known as xeroderma or the xerosis. Dry skin is a very common and a harmless skin condition marked by an inappropriate amount of moisture and oil content in the epidermis. Epidermis is the topmost layer of our skin. Dry skin causes small fine flecks and the dry patches as shown in the diagram. Itching is one of the most common symptoms of dry skin. It is an uncomfortable condition marked by scaling, itching and cracking. Causes of dry skin include the frequent and steamy bath, low temperature and humid condition, skin diseases such as eczema and psoriasis, metabolic condition such as diabetes and kidney disorder, certain allopathic drugs, dehydration caused due to the alcohol consumption and the excessive sweetening. This is responsible for skin dryness. Some prescription drugs such as diuretic, antihistamine and isotretinoin dry your skin. Hypothyroidism is a condition that occurs when your thyroid produces too little thyroid hormone and reduce the activity of your sweat and oil gland, leading to rough and dry skin. Symptoms during the dry skin include the affected skin appear dull and peeled as shown in the diagram. The skin feel itchy and painful. Redness, itchiness and deep cracks in the skin may lead to bleed sometimes. Grey ashy skin. Fine lines or cracks observed on the skin. Skin that feel and looks rough. Dry skin treatment. Basically, the moisturizer provides a seal over the skin to keep water from escaping. So, moisturizer is used at the time of skin dryness. Oil has more staying power than the moisturizers and prevent the evaporation of water from the surface of the skin. So, if skin is extremely dry, apply an oil on the surface of skin. Third is oil massage. The facial massage with certain medicated herbal oil indicated in the skin disorder. Use of warm water and limit the bath time. Hot water and a long shower or the bath remove the excess oil from your skin, which causes the skin dryness. So, limit your bath or the shower time to about the 15 minutes or the less and use the warm water rather than the harsh water or hot water during the bathing. Avoid harsh or the drying soap. Choose mild soap that have added oil and fat to protect the skin surface from the dryness. Basically, the glycerin 15% in the rose water is also help to treat the skin dryness. It attracts water from the atmosphere and serve as a reservoir to supply the water to the stratum corneum of the skin. Also hold water with the skin and lubricate the skin. Aloe vera and liquid paraffin are also used to treat the dry skin. If you have dry skin, it's best to use the cleansing cream and the gentle skin cleanser and the bath or shower gel with the added moisturizers, because the use of cleansing cream remove the dead cells of your skin and promote the activity of your sweat and the oil gland. Avoid deodorant and antibacterial detergents which are especially harsh or dry. Precautions. Precautions used during the skin dryness are the following. Don't shower too often just when you are dirty or sweaty. Avoid washing with the soap during every bath. Choose a non-alcohol based moisturizer. Use a sunscreen to protect your skin when you are outside. When soap is needed, use a gentle non-drying product. Don't use a harsh soap. Use sunscreen regularly even in the winters. Massage your body with the herbal oil infused with the vata balancing herbs. Thank you everyone.